Hey guys, Andrew King here from ReveseKingdom.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are checking out Clickagency AI, which is a brand new cloud-based software that will allow you to start your own agency within a few clicks, and then you can basically add clients in various niches to that agency, and you can use the power of artificial intelligence integrated inside of the software to create all sorts of marketing assets to your clients and make potentially huge profits, huge monthly recurring profits from those clients. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I have been playing around with this and I'm going to show you how it works in just a minute. But before we do that, there's going to be two links down below in the description. So the first link is going to take you to the front end, which will allow you to grab the front end version. The second link is going to take you to the bundle, which is basically the front end plus all the different upsells for just a one-time fee of $297, and you can use this code to get $50 and get the price down to $247. So don't forget to use those links if you want to grab this through me. But anyways, let's go ahead and go inside the members area and let me show you how it works. So it's very, very simple to use. All we have to do first is create our agency. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the agency section inside of the software. Of course, we have the dashboard where you can access your shortcuts, but we are going to go straight to the agency section, and then we are going to create our brand new agency. So for example, I'm going to name it Andrew King Test Agency. This is just an example. The email, again, this is going to be a test email at xyz.com. So this is just for example purposes. You can create a brand new agency with your name and your email address. Then you just click on create agency and the agency will be automatically created. Now you can add a description to that specific agency. So let's just say this is an agency that specializes in SEO services. So I'm gonna type in SEO service agency and I'm gonna do 3 dots. You can type in a full description here. The address, again, you can use your own address. I'm just gonna use a random generated address in the United States for the purposes of this video. Of course, this address is not real, so don't worry, I'm not using anyone's address here. So this is absolutely fake address for the purposes of this video. And you can also upload a logo to that agency. So for example, we can go ahead and select a logo here. I have a logo built in here, and here we go. So that's all we have to do. Now once we're done, we're just gonna go to the mode section here and we can activate it by flipping the switch here. Then we're gonna click on update and our agency has been created successfully. Now what we need to do is we basically need to add clients to our agency. So once you start getting some clients using cold outreach or any other traffic sources that you use, you can start adding clients here in the client section, and all you have to do is click on all clients, and then you can click on add a new client, and then you can put your client's name. So for example, client number 1. Again, the email, we are gonna type in client number 1 at xyz.com. For the password, I'm just gonna do client 1, and for the industry here, you select the niche. So for example, if you have accountants or any type of different niches that they have included inside of the software, I believe they have a lot of niches. They have included almost any local business in here. So if you have a roofing client, you just select roofing. For example, let's go with real estate investor, and then we're just gonna click on create client, and it will automatically create the client and add his profile to the dashboard here. So you can change everything about your client. As you can see, we are in the update section, so we can update all the information. We can connect his Facebook page, we can connect his Google account, we can even connect his autoresponders if we want to. The earnings, so we can set up how much he earns. So for example, let's let's just say he generates $100,000 per year. The frequency is gonna be yearly, so I'm just gonna go with yearly. So he generates $100,000 per year, not per day, but per year, for example. The company, so you can type in the company here. The industry, you can always change this if you want to. Email credentials to this client, so if you want to enter the email credentials to this client, you just check this box right here. Then you click on update and everything will be updated. Now to the most interesting part, if you keep scrolling down, you'll be able to basically go ahead and create the resources for him. So what we can do is we can create landing pages, Facebook ads pages, Google ads, blog articles, YouTube videos, video ads, create business cards, and so on and so forth. We have a lot of features here. Now, I'm not going to showcase each and every one of these. I'm just going to go through 3 or 4 of these, and you can basically take a look at the other ones once you grab your front end access. But anyways, let's go and, for example, let's create a landing page for this guy right here. And as you can see, it will let us choose from various different templates. So let me just search here for real estate. I'm not sure if they have one for real estate. Maybe they don't. So they don't have one specific for real estate. So what we can do is we can choose one of these templates and we can modify them. So for example, let's just go with, let me just take a look here. Education, gardening, teaching. They have various different landing pages, and if you grab the upsells, you are going to get more and more landing pages. But anyways, for example, let's go with this one. So you can go ahead and click on preview. If you want to preview this one, you just click on preview and it will open up a preview for you in the next step. So you can preview the page before actually selecting it. And this is in the education niche. And as you can see, it's a very decent landing page that was created using AI. Now what we can do is we can click on use and it will automatically take us into their built-in editor, so we can go ahead and edit this specific landing page. So it's gonna take some time in order for it to basically load the page. I'm just gonna pause the video and come back to you guys. So what we did after that is we basically went ahead and asked us for a specific keyword and we just clicked on next. So you type in a keyword based on your relevant niche. So it doesn't matter what type of landing page you specify, because it's going to go ahead and modify it based on the specific keyword that you give it. So we are going to wait up until 5 minutes in order for this to actually create a landing page for us using AI. I'm not gonna make you guys wait with me. I'm just gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna come back once the page is ready. I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, it has created the landing page for us. This is the live link for the landing page. So let me just open it up in a brand new tab. And as you can see, this is our landing page right here. It modified this. It created a title. It created a small slogan or a small description. And as you can see, this is a very well designed landing page. Now everything in here is actually editable, and we can go back to the editor here and we can change, for example, the banner heading. We can change the banner image. We can add our logo. So for example, if I want to upload my logo, I can go ahead and choose my logo here, and then I can go ahead and click on use, and it will automatically upload the logo to the page. I can change the button text, which is this one right here. Where's the button? Let me just quickly find it. The contact us button right here, the contact. We can change it. We can change everything inside of this page using their built-in editor here. So in the video section, you can go ahead and basically add your video resource. It could be a Vimeo URL, a YouTube URL, or any custom video URL. You can input it right here and it will automatically display on your landing page. the benefits here. You can change all the different benefits, headings, and descriptions, as well as add your own icons and so on and so forth. You basically get the idea. You can change everything in the page right here, right from within their built-in editor. Now, once you're done, you just click on submit and it will automatically update on the page. So I have added the logo. So if I refresh, it should have added a logo right here. And as you can see, this is the logo right here. Of course, I don't have the exact measures. That's why it looks kind of weird. But if I had the exact measurements for the logo, it would have looked perfect. Anyways, you can play around with this at your own time and modify this depending on what your client wants. You can also create different assets. So for example, you can create blog posts here, and let's just say client one blog post, and then let me just click on next. And here you can type in a keyword. So for example, real estate investors. And then we can click on create blog, and it will go ahead and take up to 2 minutes to create this. Let me just pause this and come back to you guys very quickly. So as you can see, guys, it literally took a minute and it went ahead and created a blog title for me. So this is the generated blog title, and here we have the article about real estate investors. So you can go ahead and use this or give it to your own client. Same thing goes for everything here. So you can basically create Facebook ads. You can create video ads if you want to. So let me just go ahead and show you this one as well. So if I go here and type in video ad number 1, and then I'm just going to click on next. And then you can choose a topic. Again, let me just go with real estate investors. And then we're going to click on search. And as you can see, it went ahead and gave us a couple of suggestions. So you can use any one of these video ideas. So for example, I'm going to go with the benefits or real estate investing. I'm going to click on use, and it will go ahead and basically generate a video for us based on that specific topic or suggestion. So I'm just gonna go ahead again and pause the video for you guys in order for you to be able to see the results. I don't want you guys to be bored. I don't want this video to be long, and I didn't even have to pause the video, and it has created the text for us. So this is gonna be the script, or it's not the text, it's basically the script. I apologize for that. You can go ahead and save this script if you want to save it to the Clickagency app, or you can go ahead and convert it. So let me just click on convert, and then I'll come back to you guys with the final results. So as you can see here, once it finished, it automatically redirected me to their built-in video editor. So as you can see, we have a couple of slides with different text on them. So this is what it was able to create. Now they have their built-in editor. It's very famous. It's Abhi's built-in video editor. You can go ahead and modify, add different text layers, backgrounds. You can modify the background. You can add different media assets such as images and videos. You can search from their own built-in library. You can add your own voiceover or use their built-in voiceover creator software. You can add music, transitions, and you can go ahead and add as well your logos and watermarks throughout the video. You can also go and add different intros and outros if you want to. So if you click here, you can upload your own specific outros. So they have their full built-in video editor that you can play around with. You can remove different slides. So if I want to remove the first slide, I just click on remove, and then I click on yes, and it will automatically remove the slide for me. Now once you're done, once you're satisfied with the final results based on what your client was asking for, you can click on render, and it will automatically render the video for you. And once it's ready, it will send you an email with the download link. You'll also be able to preview it right here inside of your client's dashboard. So as you can see, it was added to the render view, and once it's rendered, it will show you the results here. Now you can create all sorts of other different assets, for example, the images and the invoices. I'm not going to go through the entire thing. Of course, you have to purchase this in order for you to get access to all of these, but you basically get the idea. It can create all sorts of different assets for you and your clients, and you can start agencies in various different niches, and you can make a lot of money.